Hi, my name is Fred Schwant. I own Burns Precision Turning in Safety Harbor, Florida. Burns Precision has been around for 27 years. We currently have 18 employees. We manufacture small aerospace components for the aerospace industry. At this time, we have a lot of repetitive customers and repetitive components that rely on our Doosans. We currently have 8 CNC machines. 5 of them are Doosans. We're currently buying the Doosan machines from APT. A couple reasons: the reliability of them, performance, and especially the service that's provided by their repair people. These are some of the components we're producing on our newest Doosan mill. It's a DNM 4500. We're milling this in 2 operations. Top side, milling around the profile and flipping it over in some soft jaws and milling the backside. So this group of parts, these are all produced on our Doosan turning centers. We have a variety of different models. They've all got live tooling on them. 2 of them have sub spindles. These are produced complete with live tooling for the slots, and the periphery of these parts are both, on these 2, are both milled with live tooling on multi-axis machines.